Wait, go point to it again. Show me where you put it. Go show me where you put it.
I put it like this so Jackson pushed it down.
Oh, can you
Put it down next.
can you put it there again?
I think there, see? That way. No. Stop.
Julian, try picking it up again.
No touch. No touch my penny. No. No, get it.
Where did you put it?
He touched it and he gave something on it.
Oh.
No touch it, Jack. No. Get him out, Mom. You have to get him out. Get him out, Mom.
Okay.
Get him out.
Okay.